Today, I went to beloved Baba to the subtle world to offer bhog. As I reached the subtle world,
पापा के हाथ में बहुत ही सुंदर खिला हुआ भरपूर सुगंधित फूलों से
I saw a very beautiful flower blossomed in the hand of the Father. Baba looked at me. Baba started saying, "Child, which flower are you seeing? Are you seeing a physical flower or a subtle flower?" I said, "Baba, you're having the bouquet of a physical flower." Baba said, "Child, you have brought the remembrance of each one." I gave the remembrance and love of the double foreigners to Baba. Baba is looking at his children in the form of a flower. The flower children are created by the thoughts of Father Brahma, and Baba had sown the seed. And when there were no double foreign children at the corporeal form, Baba would subtly invoke them. So from the very beginning, Baba had the seed sown that the double foreign children will come, and that was now fulfilled. Baba has remembrance of the unlimited children, and those children who have come now. Just as there will be flower season, some flower bloom and some flower sometimes bloom, and some flower they bloom for all time. So Baba in Madhuban is looking at the living flowers, and amongst them Baba is looking at the double foreign children. There are many specialities in each one. There are many kind of fragrance in each one. Many Baba's foreign children, when they do service anyway, from the bottom of their heart, even though there may be 2 or 4, but they definitely give Baba's introduction in another form, but they will definitely give. Baba said, "These children are mine, very special children." Baba had shown the bouquet of flower. Baba said, when Baba's children come to Baba's home, they make their own effort. They make plans for service, and they also make subtle preparation. And Baba is saying this. when these children come in the season, they become the decoration of Baba's home. And those children who are decorated, looking at them, Baba will be very pleased.
कहाँ से किस रूप से कैसे न कैसे बाबा के घर में पहुंच
However, the children in any form will reach Baba's home. Baba, looking at the living flower, is internally very happy. I said, Baba, they are having their program and meeting.
बुद्धि भी बड़ी तेज
Baba said, foreign children's intellect is very clever, very far-sighted, and also preparing new inventions through science. So my foreign children, in order to reveal the Father, will have the planning in such a way. There are Bharat children and foreign children, and when they have taken this elevated task in hand, will definitely fulfill, and you children have become the instrument to fulfill. So Bab Dada, looking at his children, is very happy and is very proud of the Sakar Father. Remember the foreign children and gave inspiration, and that inspiration is prepared and such flowers are created. Baba is looking at the fragrance of that living flower. I had already kept a bhog plate in front of Baba. Baba, with a lot of love, accepted the bhog. Baba said, in this bhog, many people's remembrance is filled. And Baba absorbs the children's love and remembrance in his heart. Baba will always be in their heart. Baba gives special love and remembrance of this land and abroad. I took Baba's love and remembrance and came